notes up on scripts. Today's little video is gonna be just a short photography adventure. I'm at this place right near my house. It's like a few minutes down the road, so it's nice. Like, I'll show you.
Following your footsteps, knocking on your door. You're letting me breathe again. Keep coming back for more. I'm a slave for you, but this ain't like before.
You gotta put the mic on that thing. You have to. Oh my god.
Slide you in. Let's knock you down.
Oh my god.
Guess who?
I want to go to the other side.
Well, I swear I was with you in my dreams last night. I was walking you home with our hands gripped tight. You hesitated to open the door and said, are you back for more?
Yeah. Love it.
Following your footsteps, knocking on your door. You're letting me breathe again. Keep coming back for more.
Well, I told myself this morning I wanted to cold tub, so this is the best I can get.
Breathe again. Keep coming back for more.
Oh, nice. Look at that. Oh, jeez. Feels pretty good, not gonna lie. The water's not moving, so like the micro barrier's already built around me and I'm pretty warm, but you know, it's still cold. Yeah! Who's coming to join me next time? Ah, now the fun part begins. My playground! Well, that wraps it up for this little adventure here. I love this spot. I've been coming here for years. Oh, Jesus. Oh, he's going to home point. Okay, okay. I got it. All right. Woo!
I can see you on your way now, driving down the roads in my head. I can feel you switching lanes now. I hope you'll find your way back again. I see it on my own. When I'm low, I get caught up.
I'll catch you in the next